How to add shipping package sizes in Shopify. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to introduce you on how you can add the shipping packages sizes into your Shopify store so the carriers and also the client will know how much or how big is the packaging that you are going to send. This is going to be here a step after of course you have set up the products and everything. You are going to add it into the shipping profiles and also methods. So how we can access them, we're going to click on the settings. Here of course you need to sign in into an account on Shopify and visit your admin dashboard. Click on settings, and from here, as you can see, we're going to see the general settings and etc. We're going to select from this left side menu here the shipping and delivery. I'm going to click on shipping and delivery. Here I have a little note. Everything created in this video, such as email addresses and profiles, phone numbers, and etc., are created only for the sake of the video and not any personal uses. So make sure that you are going to use your own informations. So here we have the shipping and delivery. So we are going to scroll down a little bit here until we are going to see the packages or saved packages. So we're going to click on add package. As you can see here, we have already a package saved. So this is the sample box. This is the default package. You can go ahead and edit that, or you can go ahead and add the package. As you can see, this is the shipping package. So we are going to put here the package name, for example, here, let's say shoe, maybe not shoe box, but let's say here something in a box. So we are going to add here maybe shoe box or clothes box, something like that. And then you are going to set up the package type. For example, here we have box, envelope, or soft package, or satchel. So we are going to select one of these. Since I have put box, I need to put it as box only. So we are going to select the length. So the length is going to be here within the unit. So we have inches and centimeters. I'm going to use here as centimeters. The length is going to be, for example, let's say 30 centimeter. The width is going to be something like here. The length is going to be, I don't know, here 25. The width is going to be 39 or 40 centimeters, and the height is going to be at least here, let's say 8 centimeters. And the weight when it is empty is going to be obviously 0. If you have put some weights already in advance, so you are going to protect the elements in the box or in the package, you can go ahead and mention the, for example here, the weight of the thing. I'm going to click on package, and here it is going to be added in just here. This is the clothes bag or the clothes boxes just right there. So it is used to calculate shipping rates at checkouts and pre-selected when buying label. This is very crucial. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.